Honorable Chief Guest, respected audience, and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. I am glad to join you today on the day of independence. The day of 14th August, when Islamic Republic of Pakistan came into being. Every year, this day is celebrated as Independence Day in Pakistan. We also celebrate this day in our famous Jamia, Rahimia Husainiya, under the great leadership of our beloved great religious Maulana Farooq Sahib. This day is one of the important days present in the history of Pakistan. This day has huge importance because on this day we got independence in 1947 by the day and night hard work of our beloved Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. This day is important because according to English calendar we got independence on this day. But according to Islamic calendar, we got independence on 27th of Ramadan on that day in 1947. Everyone celebrate this occasion according to their own fashion. This national festival is celebrated with great association in all over the country, in which tribute of paid to the freedom fighters who sacrificed their life for motherland. Their advance, the history of Muslim is a continuous struggle of 100 years of Muslim of subcontinent. I remember the day when all the Muslims for united great cause of Pakistan. I remember the day when all the Muslims were devoted the slogan. I remember the slogan. लेके रहेंगे पाकिस्तान, बट के रहेगा हिंदुस्तान. लेके रहेंगे पाकिस्तान, बट के रहेगा हिंदुस्तान. सीने पे गोली खाएंगे, पाकिस्तान बनाएंगे. Respected sir, the great leadership ability is of the liar of Muslim. I guess you are right. I am talking about Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Salute of the father of the nation for his great effort for the establishment of Pakistan. It is just for him we are living in an independent country. So being a Muslim and Pakistani, it is our duty to develop a system of justice and equality. We need to realize that Pakistan was established in the name of Islam. We need to show unity and brotherhood. We need to act upon Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah said, unity, faith and discipline. I request the youth of Pakistan to remove the social criminal from Pakistan to lead the Qaid mission. In the end of my speech, I pray that Pakistan will give and make progress as other countries in the world are making. खुदा करे कि मेरी अर्ज़ पाक पर उतरे, खुदा करे कि मेरी अर्ज़ पाक पर उतरे वो फसले गुल जिसे अंदेशा ज़वाल ना हो. यहाँ जो फूल खिले वो खिला रहे सदियों, यहाँ जो फूल खिले वो खिला रहे सदियों, और यहाँ ख़िज़ा को भी गुज़रने की मजाल ना हो. थैंक्स.